Hi everyone, what is going on? My name's Jamie Palmer and welcome to another episode with the new Binary Destroyer 7.0. Now, I'm not actually going to be doing any live trading for you today. I'm just going to be kind of running through the strategies and how they're going to perform better on the 7.0. Now, before you get all excited, this is not the finished product. There's a lot of changes we still need to make with it, but the two things that we are certain going to stay and that we are happy with is the new zone. So the sell zone at the top, the buy zone at the bottom. These no longer move or repaint. So if we just go back into the charts now, you can see all these setups here, like here, here, and here as well, and also maybe here at the bottom here as well. This is exactly what it would look like if it was live. Okay, these no longer move, so we're happy with that, and we're also happy with our moving average. As you can see, it's quite simple. When it's an uptrend, it goes green. When it starts to turn, it goes red. So we're happy with these. Now, the things that we're not happy with still that we're going to be changing is the arrows. These are the old 6.0 arrows. These are getting changed and we're going to be putting new arrows in. We're also dropping the trend dash at the bottom here, and we're also going to include a RSI divergence indicator and a MACD divergence indicator. So basically, the whole of what you're looking at here is going to be getting changed. In fact, we're even going to be changing the color of the candlesticks. The reason being is because I'm a deep believer in the psychological aspect of trading and trying to control your emotions and discipline around it. Now, believe it or not, but the color of the candlesticks makes a big impact in the way you trade. If you use soft colors like a blue and pink like this, it gives it a more of a neutral approach on your charts. When you have, let's say, a bright red sell candle, let's say, you know, that big red candle can, believe it or not, play a massive impact on your trading. So this is why I have gone into kind of the psychological aspect behind the scenes with the 7.0, and I'm trying to choose the correct colors that make your life easier. I mean, for example, let's say you're in a buy trade and you get a big red candle. Well, that can be very worrying and, you know, very off-putting if you're a beginner in trading, having that big red candle in front of you when you're trying to buy the market. So if we kind of tone it down a bit, use some softer colors, it will obviously reduce the stress of your trading. Now, I know that might sound a bit silly, but believe it or not, it makes a huge difference, considering that the market is controlled by emotion, supply and demand. When people see the market buying, everybody jumps on that, and obviously the price rockets, and vice versa. So yes, everything you see on your charts is going to change, but the two things that we are happy with is the zones and the moving average. Now, I just want to talk about our latest strategy. I can never pronounce this name. It's called the Mongolia. I can't even remember what it is. One of our admins came up with this strategy, and I'm not joking with you. And, you know, I've not actually personally traded this strategy. It's a scalping strategy. And the way it works is price enters the buy zone at the top here, or enters the sell zone at the top. We use a different RSI for this. We use a more overbought and oversold indicator, overbought and oversold level, which I will be including in the 7.0. But yeah, the way it works is you scalp the market and you capture 5 pips per trade. It does not, well, in fact, it was designed to not use a stop loss, but I think a lot of traders have started to use a stop loss in it now. But the results from this strategy have been absolutely mind-blowing, and I mean mind-blowing. In the past few weeks, we have probably had our best, and I mean best results from the whole of the BD members. Okay, now I'm just going to show you some of these results now. This is in the Binary Destroyer group. Okay, this is from the top, so as you can see, this is all from today's results. Okay, so as you can see here, an amazing day. This member here is on a live account, as you can see here, IC Markets Live. Now look at all these results. Okay, in fact, this guy is trading the regular BD settings here. Here we go, I can never pronounce that, the Mongweri strategy. But then again, as you can see here, new account, as you can see, beautiful money made here. Okay, another one, again, BD, thanks today's scalping, saw more money there. First day on the I'm not going to say it. I'll just call it the MOG strategy. First day using the MOG strategy here. More incredible results. Okay. More results. Normal BD rules. 13 wins, 0 losses. We keep going here. Okay. This is me talking about 7.0. Another winning day. Another 35 pips in the bag. Now, Helen, believe it or not, Helen struggled a lot in her trading. Which is absolutely incredible that she's having such incredible results. If I'm trading on the daily time frame, how should I set my TP and take profit? As you can see here, let me just read some of the comments on here. Let's see what they said. So happy for your success. Finally, Helen, fine. Thanks, Jamie Palmer and Michael Austin. Your hard work and efforts are highly appreciated. I was able to catch a few pips on the Mong trades today. Some nice money there. For the course of 2 days using the Mong strategy here, as you can see, more incredible results. I mean, this simply goes on and on again. Here you go, some more results using the Mong strategy. Danny captured 5 pips here. Again, more results. My first day trading the AND strategy on a live account, not bad, but I hope I'll be able to hit a 90% win ratio. The 4-hour charts on the Binary Destroyer, more incredible results here. Some more results. I think this is trading more price action with the Binary Destroyer. And as we go down, okay, this is me celebrating a birthday party, one of the BD members. Now, yes, the Mong strategy. I can never name it. I don't know why it's called that. But anyway, I want to show you right now just how powerful that strategy is on the 7.0. Because I haven't actually traded this strategy and I haven't actually traded the 7.0 live yet. But watch this, okay? Remember, these zones no longer move. This green and red moving average no longer moves. Now just watch. Every time the price breaks the sell or buy zone with the moving average, as soon as it turns, watch the amount of pips this makes. And this is what's so good about this strategy, is it's such an easy strategy, right? Watch this. First of all, this one. Okay, price has broken the zone, moving average clearly broken as well. Signal arrow, if you want to take the signal arrow. Okay, like I said, we'll ignore the signal arrows because they're going to get changed anyway. So just ignore that, okay? Look at that, bang, 17 pips made. The next time the price breaks the zone here, okay, you can see price has broken it here. Again, you could have got well over 30 pips with that trade. Again, here, notice how it's broken again. Again, you could have got all the way down here, 12 pips. Again, here, okay, more wins. Okay, again, here, you can see how price has broken it, but we wouldn't enter the trade until the green, until our moving average turns green with potential signal arrow. But again, this will not, the signal arrow would be changed. Again, you can see here, another few 10 pips in the bag here. Again, here we can see we've broken it. And you would have got maybe 5 pips there. Again, here, again, you could have caught some pips here, you know, here, again, here. Notice how I've crossed over here. Now, I haven't actually traded this live, okay, but just if you were to pick any currency pair, okay, let's look at Euro USD today, right, and see how it's performed. Here, Price is breaking the zone, signal arrow, winner. Okay, you know, this is absolutely mind-blowing. Again, here, this might have been a little bit risky. We don't see a clear break of the zone, but nonetheless, I'll ignore that one. We've got a break here, a slight break, but it's still a break. Again, you could have caught 50, I mean, you could have caught well over 30 pips with that one. Again, none here. We've got a break here. Okay, again, you know, you could have got well over 6 pips. Again, here we had a break, wait for the turn to go red. Again, another 6 pips. You know, it just goes on and on. And this one here, okay, 5 pips. You know, this, believe it or not, is going to be mind-blowing. Believe me, it will be. I mean, we could go over to the 15-minute charts and we'll wait for the price. Again here, 15-minute charts, okay, going to capture some more pips on this time frame. You know, you can see here, price has broken the zones, okay, turned green, signal arrow. This would have been actually a nice setup with the signal arrow outside the zone. Okay, you could have got 30 pips there. Again, at the bottom here, okay, another maybe 25 pips, okay, and maybe not here. Actually, might have been there. We got a break there. So, yeah, again, you know, you would have entered the trade on maybe the turn on when it went green. So, around here, maybe you went with a 10 pip drawdown and you would have got 40 pips for that trade. Again, here, okay, maybe not have took that trade. A little risky because we're in the zone there. But, again, that would have been a winner. You know, this, believe it or not, guys, will be a game changer for 2020. So yes, that is the 7.0. Pretty much, you know, you can see how well it's performing. Like I said, this is not the finished product. We're going to be adding, you know, more things to it. Like I said, I want to change the actual arrows here. But, you know, if you were to click any currency pair now, let's look at gold. Let's see how well gold has appeared today, right? Using this just simple strategy. Again, we've got a break of the zone here. This might have been a little bit risky. You know, you would have got profit there, maybe around 6 pips, but, you know, with around 28, no, this is gold, isn't it? Excuse me, I keep forgetting. So 28 pips stop loss. You could have got maybe, yeah, 20 pips. Maybe that would have been a loss if you're using a stop loss there. This one would have been a nice winner. Okay, you could have got there 20 pips, re-enter. No, in fact, that would have been a trade. Okay, none of these. Okay, there we go. Here again, price has broken the zone. That would have been a nice winner. Could have got 23 pips here. Another setup here. Yeah, so as you can see here. Okay, so yeah, yeah, that is it. I'm actually really excited. I'm actually really looking forward, everyone, to get my hands on this final product that I can actually start making some live trading videos for you. Look, you just notice here, okay, I have started to turn now. Okay, so this might not be a MOG strategy because this moving average needs to actually break below this here. But let's just, in fact, okay, I might just... let me just pause the video for a sec. Okay, right, I'm back now. Okay, this would actually be my first trade using the 7.0. Now, I've quickly logged into my demo account just to kind of see how well it performs. But again, this trade is slightly risky, but what I'm trying to get across to you lot is how the zones are now staying, okay, and we're using now the moving average on how it's turning to give us an indication that the market is going to reverse in our favor. Okay, now I won't go into too much detail with this setup. Like I said, this is just me kind of showing you how well it's performing. But this looks a good buy setup. You see here at the top here, okay, this would be a kind of good set. In fact, this would be a really good setup because you can see how price has clearly broken the sell zone. So it's quite obvious that has happened. Okay, we've clearly crossed over here. We've closed below the moving average as again, the moving average has turned red. Again, signifying we're now in a downtrend. Signal arrow, again in the zone, another confirmation. And also the RSI clearly overbought. So yes, what I'll do, everyone, is I'll update you in 8 minutes time on if this is a winner or a loss. So I should be back very soon. Hi everyone. So yes, this trade has just gone, in fact it's just gone out the money, back into the money, right? I just received another result on this strategy here. Look at this, the mongrel strategy. Literally, look, 1 minute ago. Hello BD family, this is my result after blowing my account. I started everything new with the mongrel strategy. It's amazing first day with my real account, BD on fire. Thank you, Jamie. So yeah, you know, I'm not lying to you. Generally, mate, this is absolutely incredible. So yeah, as you can see, price is still fighting. Like I said, it might be a little bit risky that I took this trade, but I really want to do some live trading for you. So yeah, I'll update you very soon in 3 minutes time. Hi everyone. So yes, as you can see, these are going to be nice winners. Now, like I said, this is not, this is not live trading. I just want to kind of show you the concept of the zones not moving and the green and red moving average, and seeing how you can use the turnout. Notice how I just popped an arrow. Well, so yes, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you are as excited as I am for the 7.0. So yes, thank you for watching.